Hello friends, today we're replacing an exterior door in a house that was built roughly in the 2000s. So we have this door right here being replaced with this door right here. And the customer wanted to have their front door installed also. So those two are gonna be done during this project and we're gonna keep you involved. This door is coming out, let's get to it. And there we have the sill for the doors all set. Silicone on the bottom. I always like using pure silicone because it will seal better than necessarily a latex or kind of a paintable caulk. And I'm sure those work too, but they'll typically harden a little bit more. And silicone, pure silicone itself stays relatively flexible. So when the door moves just a little bit, 1/8 of an inch over the years, you won't get air infiltration underneath. So that sill's ready. Let's set the door. And friends, that door is set. It's in a great spot. I've got the shims here to hold the door frame in place. It closes nice and easy. And so now I'm going to put in these screws into the door frame along the side. I don't like doing it from the brick mold on the outside like the previous installation was done, because if you slam the door enough going out, it'll eventually push the door out over time and it'll have a gap of about 1/4 inch and you'll have air infiltration, etc. So I like to tuck these puppies in behind that weather stripping. So let's do that. And that, friends, is done. That door is in, sealed, and looking mighty nice. Next, I'm gonna put the doorknob and the deadbolt in. That's pretty straightforward. Yeah, I like that. If you have any questions about a project that you have, feel free to send me a message or give me a call. My name is Dan, my company name is Capic Inc., and we will see you on the next one.